What's going on, YouTube? Got another unboxing video here for you today. We're gonna be looking at the Bomki. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but we got a grilling and cooking essential kit for the outdoors. Whole bunch of fancy words on grilling tools. So we're gonna go ahead, not waste any time. We're gonna get this thing cut open, take a look at what it's got. I did purchase a Blackstone grill. Obviously, when you get the Blackstone, you're going to get a lot of the Blackstone accessories. But I did want to look into one of these for potentially doing some, some camping at campsites and stuff. So when I purchased this about a week ago, it was $39.99 from Amazon. There'll be a link in the description. So yeah, I mean, I like the images. Like I said, not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly. It was B-O-M-K-I. It's got a little Australian theme going. I did verify it is made in the USA, or excuse me, designed in the USA, made in China. So we'll definitely have to take a look at the quality of the metal here. But yeah, I mean, it's what you'd expect in I guess in a camping cookware set. You know, it's gonna have your fork, spatula, spoon, tongs. It's got some containers right down here that are gonna hold, whatever spices. If you're simple like me, just a little salt and pepper. We're gonna go ahead and keep it simple. So they did put a little thank you card in here. I'll be sure to leave a review for them, letting them know how I felt about the product, any pros, any cons. Looks like it has a pair of, or not even a pair, a single, very, very thin, very cheap feeling glove. I don't know if I would count on that to keep my hands from getting burned. It does come with a little microfiber cleaning cloth. So in here, you're gonna have your strap, if you want to go ahead and put that on the bag. I'd say overall, the bag is actually very sturdy. I'm quite impressed with the bag. It's going to have your wine opener, beer opener. Obviously we've all seen these. What's cool about this one is it looks like it has a little Swiss Army knife action going on over here, so that's pretty cool. That looks about as sharp as a butter knife, so I probably would only use that to cut butter, but nevertheless. So what you're also going to get is a pair of scissors. This right here looks like a paring knife. I'll go ahead and get this pulled out here. Hopefully I don't lose a finger. Okay, yeah, so we have a nice covered paring knife. Okay, not too bad. I mean, for $39.99, I wasn't really expecting top quality stuff, but so far, like I said, I want to take a look at the quality of the metal here. Kind of maybe take a look at if these blades in here are actually stainless steel. I believe when I did my research on this product, it did state that it was stainless steel, but we'll go ahead and take a look. I'm not seeing any inscription on the blade to identify if it's stainless steel or not. So we'll have to read the instructions or the spec sheet that came with this, and then you also have a cutting board here in the back that I'll go ahead and slide out. Just regular, simple, cheap cutting board. I mean, for what it is and for what I paid for it, I think it'd be good to have in your camp pack out set. Can you go wrong? I mean, you're gonna have a nice spatula. You want to do some some burgers at the campsite. If you don't want to travel with the Blackstone and bring the whole thing, you just want to use the the regular grill that's at the campsite. You want to do some hot dogs. You have you got your tongs there. I believe these are lockable tongs. Yep. So you can go ahead and pull that out, and that'll be your lock function right there. That's actually a pretty neat feature that it would have, so that if you wanted to, just leave that elevated so that you're not, essentially putting your tongs down on a dirty surface at a campsite. So that's a pretty cool feature. I actually like to see that. Overall, I don't think I'll be using these gloves or this single glove for anything, but I mean, cool that they put it in here. I probably will never use that, so we'll just kind of leave that off to the side. Microfiber towel, can't go wrong having one of those in your set. I just want to take a moment. I did flip this bag over after we kind of already went through it. It does have a little handle up here on the top, so that's actually pretty nice if you wanted to hang that, keep that, you know, out of the elements, if, you know, the ground's wet or whatever have you. It looks like it'll hold a lot of this stuff in place if you were to hang that up. It does have a little metal hook up here, so if you wanted to put a carabiner there or utilize that hook for something else, you have that option. Those are also going to be what holds that strap on, so if you decide that you want to use this you know, to carry the case, then you'll have that option with the 2 D-rings that are looped in here. They're sewn in. Seems to be pretty solid stitching, so good on you, Bomki. And then we have just a little zippered pouch area back here. You're not gonna really fit too much in there. I have pretty decently big hands, so I can get them pretty much in there, and that area is gonna be right here. So I mean, if you wanted to store some, you know, some seasonings in a Ziploc bag, or, you know, some cleaning cloths, whatever you want to go ahead and put in there, go ahead and utilize that zippered function. So overall, this is what you get, $39.99. There will be a link in the description, so if you're interested and you want to purchase this item, you know, go ahead and go through that link. Obviously that will definitely help me out. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.